My name's Nicole Kerbisher. I work for Parkinsons UK and I'm the Family Friends and Carers lead, and I'm here at the East Devon Support Group today to find people to ask them why they are uniting for Parkinson's. So John, tell us why you're uniting for Parkinson's.
I support my wife who has Parkinson's, who runs a very effective support group here in Sidmouth and Exmouth.
Hi, I'm Mary Jane and I'm volunteer coordinator for Parkinsons UK in the South West. I'm uniting for Parkinsons.
Okay, so why are you going to be uniting for Parkinson's?
I'm going to be uniting for Parkinson's because I used to get my husband who died a couple of years ago, and I think I realised what carers and people with Parkinson's need now, and I think one of the most important things is communication.
Hi, my name's Mark McLeod, Managing Director of Home Instead Senior Care, Exeter and East Devon, and I'm here to unite for Parkinson's.
So I've just come out of the East Devon support group in East Budleigh, which I hope you can see behind me is the most beautiful little village in Devon, and I met with families, carers, friends of people with Parkinson's, their partners, their parents, and they are the reason that I am uniting for Parkinson's.